way she dealt with people. We all were like her personal friends. We never felt we are fellow legislators. We felt like a family. That is what the bonding was between her and all the other legislators. May her soul rest in peace, and may God give strength to Babu Monsarat and his two sons to bear the loss and carry forward the works which remain unfulfilled because of her tragic demise. This disease, you know, it catches you unaware, and you have to sometimes lose your life at a very young age. This is a real big loss to everyone, and I'm sure other people also will take care about their health. Health is wealth. Sometimes we do everything. We have no time for ourselves. I have noticed. Even she was one person who never thought of herself. She was thinking about the people. And in the bargain, she did not know even that she has contracted that disease. So we have to take care. I pray to God Almighty to give her full strength in taking her up to heaven. And I think Goa Legislative Assembly members will always remember her, whether in ruling or opposition, for the bonhomie that she always promoted and her relationship with all.